Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nur Fazana binti Madya and welcome to my presentation for Assessment 2 Individual Assignment in UBM599 Digital Workforce. Today, I will be sharing my personal reflection based on two important chapters from this course, Chapter 5 Working with Client and Chapter 7 Digital Workers Careers Management. So, these two topics have changed the way I see in freelancing. They have helped me understand the importance of clear communication, long-term planning, and continuous improvement. I will share personal learning experience, skill acquired and application, personal insight and future direction, and suggestion for improvement to move forward as a digital freelancer. So, let's start with Chapter 5 in Personal Learning Experience. I apply this knowledge during a real freelance project. I create a profile on a freelance platform and enter a design contest. Initially, I focused only on doing a good design, but I overlooked something very important such as communication. I didn't ask enough questions or clarify the client expectation. This caused some misunderstanding and revision. That's when I realized good freelancing isn't just about doing a great work. It's all about how well you communicate, manage time, and respond professionally. In Chapter 7, I apply the PSD model, which stands for passion, skill, and demand, to help guide my freelancing direction. Before this, I was offering general services like writing and design without a clear focus. As a result, I found it difficult to attract the right client because my offering were too broad and unfocused. This challenge pushed me to choose a more specific niche. I decided to specialize in Canva design, which aligned with both my interests and what was in demand on freelance platform. I also create a simple career plan to track my progress and goals. To improve my skill, I joined several free online courses related to Canva and branding. This step made a big difference. I started attracting more target clients and my freelance profile became stronger and more relevant. Overall, this experience showed me that treating freelancing as a real career with a plan and continuous improvement can bring much better results and more confidence in the digital workforce. So next, for change perspective, before this experience, I thought freelancing was something short-term or casual. I assumed it didn't require structure and could be done without much planning. But now, I understand that freelancing is a real career path that requires strategy, responsibility, and a growth mindset. I need both technical skill and soft skill like communication, negotiation, and client management. I used to think that once I submit good work, the job was done. But now I see that building trust, meeting deadline, and maintaining communication are just as important as the quality of the work itself. Similarly, career planning is not just for a traditional job. As a freelancer, I realized I need clear goals, a long-term direction, and constant upskilling to stay competitive in the fast-changing digital job market. Let's move on to skill acquired and application. From Chapter 5, I developed 3 key skills. First, I learned how to write personalized professional proposal. Instead of using general template, I now tailor each proposal to match the client project and needs. This helped me stand out and show client that I understand what they are looking for. Second, I improved in reading brief carefully and responding clearly. I realized that missing even small detail in the brief can lead to mistake or rework. Now, I make sure to fully understand project instruction and ask questions if something is unclear. This has helped me to avoid confusion and deliver better results. Third, I developed the ability to manage client expectations professionally. I communicate clearly about deadline, provide update, and stay respectful in all interaction. This builds trust and show client that I take their work seriously. So in real use, I apply all these skills when I join another design contest. I follow the brief closely, submit a clear proposal, and keep good communication with the client. The outcome was much better and it really boosts my confidence. From Chapter 7, I learned how to plan my freelance career using the PSD model, which helped me match my passion and skill with market demand. I also chose a clear niche like Canva design so I could focus on something that I enjoy and that clients are actively looking for. To stay competitive, I start upskilling regularly using free courses like platforms like Coursera and LinkedIn Learning. Lastly, I will join freelance communities to stay updated with industry trends and connect with others in the digital workforce. Going forward, for personal insight and future direction, I plan to keep applying this lesson to grow as a digital freelancer. For the skill I gained in Chapter 5, my focus will be on continuing to join design contests. This helped me practice writing clear and strong proposals that match client expectation. I will also make sure to carefully read and respond to every brief so I can deliver exactly what's needed. Most importantly, I will keep improving how I communicate with clients by being consistent, polite, and professional in every message. For Chapter 7, I have created a digital career roadmap to guide my progress. I plan to take regular online courses through platforms like Coursera and LinkedIn Learning to stay updated and expand my skill. I will also set both short-term and long-term goals for myself so I stay on track and keep improving. In addition, I will be joining freelance communities and networks to get feedback, stay connected, and explore more job opportunities. Whether I continue as a freelancer or work in a company later on, I believe all of these skills from project handling to professional communication and career planning will always be useful in helping me succeed. Next, let's move on to suggestions for improvement. While both chapters were really helpful, I do have a few suggestions that could make the learning experience even more practical and engaging. For Chapter 5, I think it will be great to add on more hands-on activities such as mock bidding tasks or role-play exercise to simulate real client interaction. Also, providing a sample proposal template would really help students to learn how to structure their responses professionally. For Chapter 7, I would like to suggest including interactive career planning tools like editable templates that help us map out our goals. It will also be helpful to see more real-world stories of successful freelancers to get inspired. Lastly, encouraging students to build their own digital portfolio as part of the course could really boost readiness for actual freelance work. This addition could make the course more engaging and prepare us better for real-world freelancing. In conclusion, these two chapters have shaped how I view freelancing as a structured, professional, and long-term career. I have gained valuable skills in communication, planning, and self-development. Now, I'm not just someone doing online job, but I see myself as a digital professional with clear goals and growth mindset and the tools to succeed in the freelance world. Thank you for watching, and I hope my journey gives you a better idea of what freelancing can really offer when approached the right way.